Inkflow is an amazing tool that uses AI to help you create content easily. Whether you want to write a blog post, a social media update, or an email, Inkflow has got you covered. It takes your ideas and turns them into engaging content that feels natural and human-like. No more staring at a blank page or struggling to find the right words. With just a URL, a YouTube video, or even a few keywords, you can generate high-quality content in no time. The best part about Inkflow is its versatility. It works well on various platforms, making it perfect for anyone looking to share their thoughts online. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone who loves to share their ideas, Inkflow can save you time and effort. Imagine effortlessly creating posts that grab attention and resonate with your audience. With Inkflow, you can boost your online presence and connect with people like never before. Try it out and see how easy content creation can be. For more details about Inkflow, please check out the link in the description below. So let's take a look at what this product is all about.
Hello and welcome. In this demo, I'll show you how Inkflow's AI generates UGC-level content for all your writing needs. That sounds like you, not a robot. Magically turn any URL, YouTube video, or just a keyword into UGC level. Email, ebook, blog, social media post, ads, SEO, sales copywriting, video script, quiz and polls, research, and more. Without further delay, let's dive in. This is the Inkflow dashboard. Here you can see the total number of projects you've created and total workspace. Customers only VIP training to help you get started. Quick links for easy navigation. And below that, you can find favorite projects for quick access and easy control. At the top left, you'll find the Workspace section, where you can view all your workspaces or add a new one. On the bottom right, there's a language option to switch the entire software to your preferred language. Now, let's create your first project. Let's create an email campaign using Inkflow AI. Click on Email, then Create New. Enter a reference name for your email. Select the email type from available categories. Enter a URL, YouTube video, or any web content to use as inspiration. This is one of Inkflow's most powerful features. If you like the writing style of a specific article or post, simply paste the URL. Inkflow will analyze and learn from it, then generate similar and better content for you. 100% unique and copyright-free. Now you have two options. Wizard, quick and easy, just fill in a few details and let AI do the rest. And the other one is Keynote, more control for those who prefer detailed inputs. We'll go with Wizard mode for now. Fill in the details. Specify the purpose of your email, choose your target audience, and automatically add a CTA button to your mail. Select the email length, short, medium, or long, based on your requirements. Next, customize the placeholder text and footer signature, or turn it off and use your own. Now, choose your preferred writing language, GPT model, email tone, and writing style. Once you've entered all the details, hit Generate, and your email is ready. Now you can tailor the email content to perfectly suit your needs with easy modifications. Enhance it by adding AI-generated or stock images for a more visually appealing look. Effortlessly edit links, sections, tone, style, and length to match your brand's voice and messaging. Make quick adjustments and fine-tune every detail to create email content that truly connects with your audience. Save and schedule your emails directly from the dashboard. With one-click scheduling, you can set up your entire email campaign in advance, saving you hours every week. Simply enter the sender name and the email ID where you want to receive replies from your customers. Next, select the autoresponder, choose the email list, and set the date and time for sending. Once scheduled, you'll be taken to the listing page where you can modify the email anytime, mark it as a favorite, or choose from various actions like download, copy the email, make a duplicate, and reuse it. More to other workspace. Convert the email into blog post, ebook, or social media campaign, or you can directly schedule the email from here too. Next, creating and publishing blog posts. Let's create a blog post. Click on Blog, then Create New. Name your blog and select a category. Enter a URL or YouTube video. Inkflow will convert the content into a fully formatted blog post for you in simple clicks. This is a major advantage for affiliate marketing, SEO, and product reviews. By leveraging high-ranking content, you can boost your blog's visibility without spending years on research. Fill out the details just like we did for writing an email, like purpose, blog title, content length, and more. Once everything is set, hit Generate and Inkflow will create high-quality UGC-level blog post instantly. 100% unique and plagiarism-free blog post in seconds is ready. Enhance your blog with images, links, and SEO-optimized formatting. We all know that blogs with more images and relevant hashtags rank higher on Google from an SEO perspective. That's why Inkflow provides a powerful feature to add unlimited AI-generated and stock images inside your blog posts, helping you create visually engaging, high-ranking blog posts effortlessly. This game-changing advantage sets Inkflow apart from other writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and DeepSeek. While others simply generate plain text, Inkflow helps you create SEO-optimized, visually rich, and engaging blogs that stand out, attract more readers, and rank at the top of search engines. With just a few clicks, you can update and optimize images, links, and formatting. Add AI-generated and stock images seamlessly. Boost your blog's visibility and reach outperform competitors with SEO-driven content. This is what makes Inkflow the #1 choice for content creators, bloggers, and marketers who want to dominate search rankings effortlessly. Once you're done, hit the Save or Publish button. Here, you can add a thumbnail image for your blog and publish it directly on multiple blogging platforms. Simply select the platforms where you want to publish and click Next. You can also schedule your blog by selecting the desired date and time. Then publish it effortlessly, all from the Inkflow dashboard. See your blog come to life, and take a look at how they appear once get published. Here, we've directly published a blog using Inkflow on a popular blogging platform, right in front of you. To showcase its power, we've created and published blogs in top-performing niches like weight loss, yoga, food, software promotions, and Amazon affiliate marketing, all with just a few simple clicks. You don't need to brainstorm for hours or have years of expertise. Simply search for a trending product or service, enter the URL, and Inkflow will extract the content, enhance it, and generate 100% unique, high-quality content in seconds. See the stunning blogs we've published in minutes, just from a URL. Start creating your own high-ranking blogs today and earn massive profits by promoting your own products or making commissions as an affiliate. I hope you are amazed with the results. Now you can do same for the rest of the writing styles and categories: ebooks, social media, ads, SEO, copywriting, video script, quiz, and polls. Okay, next move to research and more. Need ideas, facts, or fresh content daily? The Research and More section helps you instantly gather insights on any topic. Generate content ideas, summaries, and facts. Also, we have 5,000 plus done for you prompts to cover all major categories for you. Stay ahead with trending and niche topics. A simple and clean interface allows you to manage all your marketing tasks in one place. Finally, let's dive into settings, where you have complete control over your platform. Here you can manage workspace, manage clients, teams, white label, subscription, integrations, tutorials, bonuses, and customer support. Let's check the white label. For the very first time, we are giving complete flexibility to build your authority by replacing the Inkflow dashboard logo with your own branding. Add your logo, colors, and style to make the platform truly yours and attract clients who see your business as the trusted source for content marketing agency. Now, let's focus on Manage Clients. Adding new clients is simple. Enter the client's name and email, click the button, and their login details are instantly sent to their inbox. You can update or remove a client with just one click using the Edit or Delete option. Effortlessly grow your business network with our streamlined client management system. I hope you're as excited about Inkflow as I am. This demo is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's creating profitable AI solutions, scaling your agency, or transforming customer interactions, Inkflow is the future of content creation. See you inside the members area, where innovation meets imagination.